Tuna capital of the Philippines, General Santos City. Seaweed capital of the Philippines, Tawi-Tawi. Pearl capital of the Philippines, Palawan. Singkamas capital of the Philippines, San Marcelino, Zambales. Clam capital of the Philippines, Bolinao, Pangasinan. Garlic capital of the Philippines, Ilocos Norte. Coffee capital of the Philippines, Amadeo, Cavite. Dairy capital of the Philippines or milk capital of the Philippines, Science City of Muñoz in Nueva Ecija. Crab capital of the Philippines, Bugwe, Cagayan Valley. Peanut capital of the Philippines, Enrile Town in Cagayan.